In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your Pepperstone account step by step. Stick around for a quick bonus tip to help you avoid withdrawal delays. Let's get started. First, go to pepperstone.com or open the Pepperstone app and sign into your account with your login credentials. Next, head over to the trading account section from your dashboard so you can manage your accounts. Then, you can choose whether you want to fund a live or demo account, but for this video, I'll choose my live account. Now look at your account and click the withdrawal button next to it. This will open the withdrawal options. For my account, I only have bank transfer as an option, so I'll select that. Next, choose which bank account you want to send the funds to, then confirm the withdrawal. For this video, I can't proceed because I don't have any funds in my account, so make sure you have enough funds before starting. And that's how you withdraw money from Pepperstone. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical trading tutorials. See you next time!